In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block Google Chrome notifications. So here is a notification about Dell. I don't want notifications, so I can block this, and I'll show you how. Now, this works for any notifications. They also may appear in the bottom right-hand corner. So once you're on your Chrome browser, go to the three dots in the top right-hand corner, click on that. Then look for settings. So you'll have to scroll down and you can find settings at the bottom. Now, once you're inside of settings, go to privacy and security. And then if you go to the bottom here to site settings and click on that, you'll then see the settings here and the notification settings. Now you want to scroll all the way down and head to notifications. Click on notifications. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see all of the blocked notifications and you'll see all of the websites which are allowed to send you notifications. So if you're getting notifications from a specific website and you don't want it, let's say I don't want CNN notifications, we can click on the three dots. We can either remove it or we can just block that site completely from sending notifications. So I hope that quick video did help you out.